Here is the dog. There is the beast. Ordered some gaskets and some brake tubes and some small things, connections. It didn't get approved without that, so I have to wait for the parts. And I found some apples in this tree. I didn't think it was coming, but it is. 100-year-old, this tree. It has been cut down many times. But the woman who owned this house before, she is at the nursing home, and she told that it is 100 years old. And here is the rest of the jungle. And here I am. My hair is shorter this time, so it's good to have a haircut now and then. Anyway, it's cold in Costa del Skotterud today. 16 degrees Celsius or less. Right now it's a cold wind. I was in Kongsvinger, only 9 there. Well, it is 16. So, Bella the dog, come. Goodbye from me here in Costa del Skotterud today. And subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. If not, go and play Yahtzee or something. Bye bye.